This is your final cosmic window of the year to shed everything that's held you back and unlock a completely new version of yourself. We stand under the brilliant illumination of the December full moon, a celestial beacon offering us both a profound ending and the clearest beginning. Hello and welcome, dear soul, to Winds of Thought. I'm truly honored you've chosen to spend this potent, transformative lunar moment with me. Whether you're a longtime member of our growing community or just discovering this peaceful space for the very first time, you are deeply and sincerely welcome here. Tonight, we consciously align with the peak energy of the December full moon, a powerful, vibrational portal for conclusion, forgiveness, and rebirth. This guided journey is meticulously designed to facilitate a profound, whole system energetic reset, clearing the accumulated weight, stories, and vibrations of the past cycle while integrating fresh codes of clarity, purpose, and aligned action for the road ahead. Please know that this practice is a sacred gift to your future self. So, let us begin by honoring this time. Find a comfortable, supportive position where your physical body can fully relax and be at ease. You might choose to sit upright with a straight spine or lie down completely. Adjust your posture. Use a cushion or a soft blanket, and consciously allow any stored physical tension to begin melting away into the surface beneath you. When you feel ready, gently allow your eyelids to close. Draw in a long, slow, intentional breath through your nose, and release it with a long, audible sigh through your mouth. Let's do that once more together. Inhale a deep sense of peace and present moment awareness, and exhale any lingering mental stress, digital distraction, or worldly worry. From this moment forward, let each outward breath physically symbolize the release of something you are consciously ready to leave behind in the old year. Let each inward breath draw in the brilliant, silvery, purifying luminescence of the full moon glowing overhead. Can you feel that radiant cosmic energy starting to gather and condense around you now? It willingly forms a gentle, shimmering, and protective capsule of cool, cleansing light, seamlessly enveloping your entire physical and energetic being. What would it truly feel like to have every single strand of old, stagnant energy simply unravel and dissolve within this divine light? Now, allow this protective, moonlit vessel to solidify and strengthen around your entire aura. Within it, you are utterly safe, divinely supported, and lovingly held in a high vibrational field of pure potential and infinite possibility. Here, your sympathetic nervous system can deeply, finally unwind. Sense a tangible wave of soothing calm beginning at the very top of your head, flowing like a cascade of light down over your brow, your cheeks, your jaw, and your throat. A profound, system-wide relaxation, now embracing every muscle, every fiber, every cell. You are now gracefully crossing into a receptive quantum space where profound personal transformation is not just a possibility, but an immediate and available reality. Now become subtly aware of a new and immensely potent frequency gently arriving within your sacred container. It is a palpable presence of supreme divine order, crystalline geometric intelligence, and ancient benevolent knowledge. The very conscious energy of the original divine blueprint for harmony. You might perceive its arrival as a slight shift in atmospheric pressure, a gentle vibrational hum in your inner ear, or simply a deep, unmistakable feeling of inner recognition and coming home. This is the majestic essence of the luminous Merkaba, the ascended light body vehicle, now here specifically to restructure and upgrade your energetic foundation. Feel its stabilizing golden white radiance coalesce and spark into being in the space just above you. It manifests not as a static, simple shape, but as a dynamically rotating, multi-dimensional field of intricate, interwoven, living light patterns. See it as a breathing, pulsating matrix of sacred flowing geometry. Watch patiently as this luminous, intelligent network begins its deliberate descent, making its first gentle contact with the crown of your head. It connects deeply and precisely with your crown energy center, transmitting soft, rhythmic wave after wave of mental clarity and spacious silence through your entire sphere of consciousness. Old, repetitive thought loops, persistent background worries, and clinging mental fog simply disintegrate, replaced by this cleansing radiance. From within this new quiet, a silent,
knowing affirmation naturally arises from the depths of your being. My mind is clear, calm, and receptive. I am a clear and open channel for higher wisdom and divine insight. This geometric light field now gently floats like a feather down to the center of your throat. Its healing, aquamarine and silvery luminescence floods through every part of your neck, your vocal cords, your jaw, your thyroid, and your ears. Any stored hesitation to speak your most authentic truth, any unsaid words of love or boundary lodged as physical tension, are now gently warmed, loosened, and released into the light. You can feel a new openness, a widening, a clear channel for honest, compassionate, and powerful expression being forged. Hear the internal whisper grow stronger and clearer. I communicate my truth with confidence, with love, and with unwavering integrity. The activation continues its purposeful, healing journey, now flowing like shimmering liquid light over the cradle of your shoulders and down the graceful length of both arms. It soothes each joint, your elbows, your wrists, and streams out to every single fingertip. It compassionately carries away the tangible and intangible weight of burdens you've shouldered, others' expectations, forgotten responsibilities, and old emotional pains. Feel a surging wave of creative life force and innate capability awakening in the palms of your hands and your fingertips. A newfound, resilient strength declares itself from within your core. I wisely wield my personal creative power to build, to create, and to heal with profound compassion and grace. Now the luminous geometry gently centers and nestles itself within the sacred chamber of your heart. It expands softly yet powerfully, filling your entire chest cavity with a warm, expansive, rose-golden radiance that pulses in time with your heartbeat. With every steady beat, it rhythmically pushes out, flushes away, residues of past hurt, stored disappointment, self-built protection walls, or unprocessed sorrow. Your heart space is thoroughly cleansed, polished, and dramatically expanded, creating vast new inner room for unconditional love, both in giving freely and in receiving fully without resistance. The message that resonates here is gentle but firm, a truth echoing in your chest. I now release all attachments, all patterns that are not rooted in genuine love. My heart remains open, vulnerably strong, and eternally safe. The light then shifts its focus to your solar plexus, that core domain of fire, and will just beneath your rib cage. This is your powerful center of personal agency, self-esteem, and manifested purpose. The sacred geometric patterns spin and ignite here like a miniature sun, actively dissolving clouds of lingering self-doubt, ingrained insecurity, and the brittle echoes of old external criticism. They are replaced by a steady, unwavering, sun-like warmth and unshakable solidity. Feel your innate, quiet confidence crystallizing, your inner authority stepping forward to claim its rightful place. The undeniable truth that forms within your power center is this: I stand firmly and proudly in my authentic power and sovereignty. I trust the unique, perfect path that now unfolds joyfully before me. Next, the activation descends gracefully to your sacral center, the creative wellspring below your navel. This is the vibrant source of your creativity, your sensuality, your passion, and your fluid emotion. The light here swirls in vibrant, fluid orange-gold hues, clearing stagnant pools of old feeling, repressed joy, shame, and creative blocks, while simultaneously reigniting the vibrant flowing river of your primal creative life force. Sense the powerful rebirth of your innate passion, your innocent wonder, and your deep, truthful desires for this life. It is a cleansing and a rekindling of your essential creative flame. The Merkabah's radiant light now completes its integrative grounding journey, moving down through the very roots of your being, through your legs, your knees, your ankles, and into the receptive soles of your feet, connecting you deeply, irrevocably, and nourishingly to the stabilizing, nurturing heart of the earth herself. You are now fully cleared, fully aligned, a balanced, luminous pillar of conscious energy suspended perfectly, harmoniously between the cosmic moon above and the planetary core below. From this unified, serene place of total inner alignment, simply rest. Breathe effortlessly, without any agenda. You have been recalibrated at the deepest level of your soul. The dense, completed energy of the concluding year has been lifted, blessed, and transmuted. The nascent, pure potential of the new year is now encoded, woven into the very fabric of your blueprint. Linger here in the stillness as long as you wish, totally immersed in this profound sensation of lightness, divine support, and limitless forward possibility. Remember this truth. You are not just passively moving into the new year. You are actively, consciously becoming it with every cleared space and every activated light within you. When you feel complete, satiated, and renewed, begin to gently guide your loving awareness back to the physical space that surrounds you. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one last, deep, nourishing breath in, and as you exhale, feel the renewed vitality, quiet strength, and peaceful power humming vibrantly within your body. You may open your eyes, slowly and gently, whenever it feels perfectly right to do so. Thank you, from my heart, for sharing this powerful, transformative reset with me and with the entire beloved Winds of Thought community. If this meditation provided you with value, peace, or a tangible shift, please support our channel's mission by clicking the like button below. It makes a significant difference and helps others find this peace. I'd love to hear from you. Please share just one word for what you released, and one beautiful word for what you've activated within the comments below. For your conscious release is this sacred, fertile space where new miracles are born. Until our next gathering, please be profoundly and tenderly gentle with yourself. Right now, the final full moon of the year is actively clearing a sacred path for your most powerful and intentional rebirth. We stand at the threshold between what was and what is waiting to be born. We now arrive at the deep, creative wellspring of your being. The luminous crystalline grid continues its purposeful descent, spiraling with soft, amber peach hued light directly into your sacral center. Here it gently stirs and swirls, loosening all that has become stuck, stagnant, or dormant over time. It lovingly releases outdated emotional patterns, inherited fears, and creative blocks, simultaneously awakening the deep, fluid, and powerful current of your innate, boundless creativity. Feel this vibrant, life-giving energy beginning to pulse and flow freely once more through your lower belly. And from this cleansed and open space, a quiet, new truth whispers up to your conscious mind. I let go of all stagnation. I now fully embrace my creative power and my natural, rhythmic flow. Now, this intelligent light travels down to the very base of your spine, your foundational root center. This is your sacred anchor to the physical world, and the essential bedrock of your entire energetic and skeletal system. As the stabilizing grid locks into place here, it emanates a deep red gold frequency of unshakable steadiness, primal security, and unwavering, nurturing support through every layer of your physical body. A profound and visceral feeling of ultimate safety washes up through your legs and into your core. Your body responds with its own cellular knowing. I release all fear and insecurity. I'm deeply grounded, eternally secure, and fully supported in my life and in my journey. This luminous matrix of light then begins its integrated journey down through your physical form. It moves through your tailbone and into the strong muscles of your thighs, its clarifying light seeking out, finding and dissolving stored tension, tightness, and old kinetic memories held in your hips and upper legs. A warm, easing, and liberating sensation follows closely behind, bringing a profound feeling of divine support, flexibility, and graceful mobility.
Can you feel the tangible weight of old, carried burdens dissolving from your very structure, from your very bones? It continues its deliberate downward path, flowing through the complex joints of your knees and into the muscles of your calves. Here, it melts away deep-seated fatigue, spiritual weariness, and the residue of long journeys, gently restructuring, realigning, and revitalizing your entire lower body. The light then pours into your ankles, your arches, your feet, and out through each individual toe, strengthening your literal and energetic foundation with each gentle, powerful pulse. From this newfound, rock-solid stability, a clear and grounded intention rises within your heart. I move forward with clarity and sacred purpose. Each step I take is intentional, conscious, and perfectly aligned with my highest good. Your full system energetic recalibration. Now that every major energy center and every physical zone has been thoroughly cleansed, revitalized, and awakened, the crystal grid itself begins a magnificent shift. It rises and expands exponentially into a vast shimmering and protective field of unified golden white light that completely surrounds and encapsulates your body from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. Its intricate sacred patterns spin in flawless, harmonious unison, weaving delicate yet strong strands of coherent, intelligent light through the layers of your aura, your spinning energy centers, and the very cells of your physical vessel. This brilliant, geometric layer envelops you completely in a cocoon of higher frequency. With every graceful, slow rotation, this unified field brings divine order to any scattered or chaotic energy, lifts any lingering emotional or psychic heaviness, and fine-tunes your entire being to its most harmonious and highest possible expression. This divine, intelligent light now floods and fills every single space within you, celebrating the places you've already healed, honoring the vulnerable spaces you've courageously opened, and gently embracing even those tender, hidden areas you are still learning to trust with compassion. Breathe deeply into this integrated, sovereign wholeness. Simply allow this powerful, complete activation to settle root and permanently seal itself within your multidimensional field. The rotation of the majestic grid now begins to slow gracefully, its beautiful work concluding. You may feel a final sparkling wave of culminating energy pass through you head to toe as the activation is sealed and locked in. Above you, visualize the full moon ascending, luminous and serene, back into the expansive starry night sky, her sacred work as a witness now complete. Yet the calm, strong, protective seal of golden geometry remains perfectly steady around you, a permanent upgrade to your very essence. Your foundation is not just cleared, it is now permanently encoded with living, intelligent light, returning with your new blueprint. Now, ever so gently, begin to bring your loving awareness back to your physical vessel, to this room. Notice solid, reassuring weight of your bones resting peacefully on the surface below you. Feel the gentle, easy, and natural rhythm of your own breath moving in and out. Sense the steady, quiet power and warmth radiating from your chest and your belly. Take a slow, deep, grounding inhale, and release it with a soft, gentle, and complete exhale. When it feels right to you, gently begin to softly move your fingers and to wiggle your toes, bringing loving, present awareness back into your hands and your feet. Gently awaken the muscles in your legs and in your arms with a subtle, gentle stretch. And whenever you feel completely ready, you may slowly, gently, and gracefully open your eyes, returning fully to the room. Feeling clear, profoundly grounded, and powerfully prepared to step forward into your new year with authentic strength and clear purpose. I am so deeply honored to have shared this transformative journey with you. You didn't just meditate today. You actively upgraded your entire energetic frequency. If this session supported your renewal and clarity, please support our growing community by clicking the like button. It truly helps winds of thought reach other souls who are ready for this shift. Let me know in the comments below, what is the very first intentional step you feel inspired to take with this new empowered energy?